I love the snow. I have no complaints. I love the snow. The other thing I don't like is the shoveling. But no, I love the snow. Isn't it beautiful? It covers up all the scummy parts, see? Now you've got this beautiful white snow on everything. And when I come out in the morning with something like this, I say, God, it's gorgeous, just gorgeous. It really is.
So I think March is when we receive the most snow, which is always unexpected because we're waiting for spring, but then here we are. But this is great for the plants. It's good to have the moisture, as we always say in Colorado. I like it. If it's going to be winter, might as well have some snow. We haven't had a lot this year.
Do you run in these?
I don't think people run in them.
It's pretty nice. It's really easy. I've wondered about this kind of stuff for a while. I feel like you can't go anywhere in the snow, so it's kind of liberating idea. This is the most snow we've got this season, I think. It is a lot. It looks like 8 inches, and I heard it's gonna be like 10 to 20, so we'll see. It's pretty intense.